Well, I still have this for sale, and I have it on Craigslist, but I haven't renewed the ad. I put it on there for 200 bucks. Do you think it's worth 200 bucks? I mean, it's actually in very good shape. I cleaned it up with some Murphy's oil soap, and looks a lot nicer. And I'm pretty sure this chair goes with it. Anyway, this door, the door that I took off my shop, has a lock on it. And the other door, the outside door, does not. It has one of them chain things that, you know, anybody with a little bit of strength could pull off. So I'm going to put this lock on the outside door. Here's where I got them cabinets. They were right here. And they fit perfectly in there. And I was also thinking about putting some brackets on the wall to hold my steel. And what did I see in here? That's going to be perfect. That's exactly what I'm going to put on that wall. And I'll be able to put my knife making steel on that. And if you're an Aggie, you can have that. Or if you know an Aggie. All right, let me I'm going to get that doorknob replaced, and then I'm going to get my drill driver and pull that off the wall and move it into the shop. My goal today is to get that bench built. I'm going to take it kind of easy today because I've just got to give my neck a rest and my back a rest. I'm really starting to hurt, and it's usually, you know, if I get to bed early, the next day I'm okay, but now it's hurting all night and all day, so I try not to complain. I try not to talk about it, but it's part of my life I have to work around and deal with every minute of every day. Well, there's the guts, and since I've got it open, well, actually, it looks like there's oil in there. I'm gonna lay a little oil on this just because it's going to be exposed to the weather, and a little oil couldn't hurt. All right, I'm going to take that off and put this one on. All right, there we go. All right, that's going to work. Good deal. All right, there's my new steel storage facility. I'll call it the steel warehouse. It's a little bit wider than the door, and these brackets are fairly common, and if they make any brackets that are a couple of inches shorter, I'll buy them, and I'll put these on a table saw. Okay, what next? All right, there's no avoiding it. We'll go out and start putting that bench together right there. That's about 20 minutes of unpackaging. It's going to take me less time to assemble this than it did to get it out of the stinking box. Could they put any more styrofoam in there? My, my, my. Every time I buy something like this and have to dispose of it, I feel like I'm just killing the earth. Alrighty then. That was a pain in the neck. None of the screw holes lined up. You really had to do some forcing and torquing to get them lined up. But that is my new forging heat treating bench. That is wood, so I'm going to put some fire brick beneath the forge when I set it on there, and I'm going to get it moved over yonder there, just right behind it where it's going. And then I'm taking this piece of tin down and moving it down to the bottom half of where this is going, just to keep the wind from blowing the flames out on the forge.